Ever dreamt of selling your handcrafted pottery around the world, or maybe your coding skills are in high demand across continents? Congratulations! You're building a global business. But hold on, there's a hurdle. Your local bank might not be equipped to handle your international ambitions. Traditional banks can be slow, expensive, and lack the features you need to navigate the complexities of global payments. So, what do? Enter airwallex, a financial platform designed specifically for the modern, global business owner like you. But what exactly is airwallex used for? Let's dive in and explore the suite of features that can help your business take flight. Streamlining international payments. Imagine this: a customer in Tokyo wants to buy your hand-painted mugs. Normally, international transfers can take days and come with hefty fees. Airwallex cuts through the red tape. You can receive payments in your customer's local currency at competitive exchange rates, all within a secure platform. No more waiting for funds to clear, just faster transactions and happier customers. Going beyond borders with local accounts. Say goodbye to the hassle of managing multiple bank accounts in different countries. Airwallex allows you to open virtual accounts with local bank details and various currencies. This means you can pay suppliers and employees around the world seamlessly without worrying about hidden charges or international transfer fees. Bye-bye exchange rate headaches. Fluctuating exchange rates can eat into your profits. Airwallex offers competitive, interbank exchange rates, so you know exactly how much you're paying and getting paid. Plus, you can lock in exchange rates for future transactions, giving you peace of mind and predictability in your finances. The power of corporate cards. Need to manage team expenses across borders? Airwallex has you covered. Issue virtual or physical multi-currency corporate cards to your employees for business travel or online purchases. Track spending in real time, set spending limits, and gain valuable insights into your team's expenses, all from a single, user-friendly dashboard. Building a financial ecosystem. Airwallex isn't just about basic transactions. It's a platform that can grow with your business. Looking to integrate payment solutions into your existing website or marketplace? Airwallex offers robust APIs that make adding secure payment options a breeze. This allows your customers to pay in their preferred methods, streamlining the checkout process and boosting conversions. Beyond payments, a world of financial tools. Airwallex is more than just a payment processor. Think of it as a one-stop shop for your global financial needs. Manage your global cash flow, automate recurring payments, and gain valuable insights into your finances with their powerful treasury management tools. Is Airwallex right for you? If you're a business owner with international aspirations, Airwallex is definitely worth considering. It simplifies complex financial tasks, saves you money on fees, and gives you the tools you need to manage your global operations effectively. Remember, a borderless business shouldn't be held back by a limited bank. With Airwallex, you can focus on what you do best, building your global brand, while they take care of the rest. Thanks for watching, and until next time.